In this episode, I'll quickly demonstrate how to set a password for the database and set up a new connection with the password. Okay, so I'll make a copy of this and let's call this with pass, something like that. And now, if you open the database normally and go to info, here you'll see to encrypt it, but you'll have to open this in exclusive mode. Okay, so for that, just do Control O, or you just go to open and browse, and now select this file and then open exclusive. Okay, after that you go again to info and click on encrypt with password, and let's say that the password is 123x, something like that. So put a password, confirm it, and then click on OK, and just click on OK for this as well. And let me close and reopen this file, and then I'll put a password. Okay, now going back to our project, let me quickly go up here and copy this as well. I'll copy this both so that we can test it at the same time. Okay, so let's call this open connection with password, and then we'll test this once this is set up. Going back to connectionstring.com, now we'll grab the connection string with the password. Okay, so this one, I'll just copy this, come back here and paste it here. Now our database path, let me grab this, shift right click, copy as path, and then so this is going to be our database path, and this is going to be the password 123x. This is going to be our connection string. So the only thing that is different here is this part. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of this, and then I'll place it here like this. This will go without the quotes. Okay, so now we'll just use the same variable, only the connection string is different here. And then this one is going to test out this new connection now. So if we go to this place where we test this, okay, now there seems to be a duplicate, so we'll say test connection new, and let's call this from there. Okay, Control F5 to load up the project, and click on this. So this is connected. Okay, so the only like if you have to use the database with the password protected, you can set up the connection. Like first encrypt the database with the password, and then you can put an additional, like this line. Basically, if you want to, already set up and you want to use it, you just amend the connection string. Okay, that will be all for this video.